The story of your canned tuna starts long before the can, at the factory's receiving dock. Here, the journey from ocean to table begins with a flurry of activity, anticipation, and precision. This is where the sea's bounty first meets the world of industry, and every detail matters. Picture a truck unloading massive, gleaming tuna, fresh from the ocean. These fish have traveled hundreds, sometimes thousands of miles, kept chilled on ice to preserve their quality. The arrival is a spectacle. Each tuna represents a successful voyage and the promise of a delicious meal to come. Workers in insulated gear use special lifts to move these giants onto clean pallets. The process is both physically demanding and highly coordinated, requiring teamwork and careful attention to hygiene. Every movement is deliberate, ensuring the fish remain undamaged and uncontaminated. Up close, the tuna's size and shimmering blue-silver skin are striking. These are not your average fish. Each one can weigh over 100 pounds, and their sleek bodies hint at the power and speed they once had in the open sea. Every movement is careful. Quality starts here. The workers know that how they handle the tuna now will affect the taste and texture later. Gloves, clean surfaces, and gentle hands are all part of the process. The factory is cold, like a giant refrigerator, to keep the fish fresh and safe. Temperatures are kept just above freezing, halting spoilage and locking in the ocean's freshness. The chill in the air is a constant reminder of the factory's commitment to quality. Each worker has a specific job, from guiding pallets to prepping the inspection area. Some check paperwork, others monitor temperatures, and a few prepare the fish for the next step. It's a well-rehearsed routine, honed by years of experience. The cold halts bacteria, preserving the fish's pristine condition. This step is crucial. Without it, the delicate flavors and textures would be lost before the tuna ever reached your plate. From the moment they arrive, these tuna are handled with respect. The workers understand the value of each fish, treating them as more than just a product, but as a gift from the sea. The process is organized, efficient, and focused on quality. Every step is designed to minimize waste and maximize freshness, ensuring that nothing is left to chance. As the last tuna is unloaded, the truck departs. The journey has just begun. The factory floor is now filled with the promise of transformation as the fish prepare for their next chapter. Now the fish are ready for their first inspection. This is where science and tradition meet as experts check for freshness, size, and quality. The ocean's bounty has arrived on land and science takes over. Inspectors use their senses and specialized tools to ensure only the best tuna move forward in the process. Every step from here is about preserving the taste of the sea. The goal is to lock in that just-caught flavor, so that when you open a can months later, you're transported back to the ocean. The factory's mission: capture that ocean freshness in every can. It's a blend of technology, tradition, and respect for the resource. This careful start sets the tone for everything that follows. From here, every action is about maintaining quality and honoring the journey these tuna have made. The tuna's adventure inside the factory is only beginning. Ahead lies a series of steps: inspection, cleaning, and preparation that will turn these ocean giants into the familiar cans on your shelf. From wild ocean to controlled environment, the transformation is underway. The journey is as much about preserving nature's gift as it is about feeding people around the world. The next stage, a rigorous quality check, will determine which tuna are worthy of becoming the centerpiece of your next meal. The story of the tuna is just getting started. Before anything else happens, each tuna undergoes a thorough and meticulous inspection. No exceptions. This is the very first step in ensuring that only the highest quality fish make it through the process. Quality experts, like detectives on a mission, examine every detail, searching for any sign that a fish might not meet the strict standards required. They start with the eyes. Clear, bright eyes are a sure sign of freshness, while dull or cloudy eyes mean the fish is past its prime. Next, the gills are carefully examined. Inspectors look for a vibrant, deep red color, which signals the fish has been handled properly and kept in ideal conditions. If a tuna has damaged fins or pale, discolored gills, it's immediately set aside. Only the healthiest fish are allowed to move forward. Inspectors then press the flesh, checking for firmness. The meat should spring back under gentle pressure, showing it's fresh and of premium quality. A digital thermometer is used to check the core temperature. It must be just above freezing, cold enough to preserve freshness but not frozen solid. Each tuna's size and weight are carefully measured and logged. This information is essential for traceability and quality control. Every check, every measurement, ensures that only the best fish move forward to the next stage of processing. This isn't just a routine step, it's the very foundation of food safety and quality assurance in the seafood industry. Only tuna that pass every single test continue on their journey through the factory. The process is tough and the standards are high, but this is what guarantees the quality that customers expect. Each fish's story begins here, with careful notes and inspection tags that follow it through every step. The reputation of the factory depends on this critical step. There are no shortcuts, only unwavering commitment to the highest standards. The best tuna, those that meet every requirement, are selected for the next phase of processing. For these select few, the journey continues, moving forward to become premium seafood products. Next comes tracking. Each fish's story is recorded, ensuring transparency and trust from ocean to table. After passing inspection, each tuna receives a unique coded tag, its identity for the rest of the journey. This tag isn't just a label, it's the start of a story that will follow the fish from the moment it enters the factory until it reaches your table. This code links every action, every detail, and every decision to that specific fish. It's a digital fingerprint, ensuring that no two tuna are ever confused. Workers carefully log the tag, inspection results, arrival time, size, and temperature into a central system. Every piece of information is entered with precision, building a complete profile for each tuna. This digital record follows the tuna from dock to can, creating a transparent chain of custody that can be checked at any time. Traceability means every step is tracked for safety and quality. It's a system designed to protect both the product and the people who enjoy it. If there's ever a question about freshness, origin, or handling, the factory can trace a can back to the exact fish it came from, down to the day and time it was processed. It's a lot of work, but it's a promise of accountability. Every worker knows their role matters in maintaining this chain of trust. This system sets great factories apart, showing a commitment to quality and responsibility that goes beyond the basics. Every detail matters. Nothing is left to chance. From the smallest barcode to the largest shipment, accuracy is everything. The tag is the backbone of the operation, connecting every step and every person involved in the process. It's about trust, transparency, and care. These values are at the heart of every decision made in the factory. The tuna's journey is now fully documented, with every step recorded and verified for peace of mind. Next, the fish are carefully preserved for the next stage, ensuring freshness and quality are locked in. The story continues in cold storage, where the tuna waits for its next chapter, ready to be transformed, tracked, and trusted all the way to your plate. Inspected and tagged, the tuna head to deep cold storage. Think of it as a high-tech freezer, cold, controlled, and constantly monitored. Workers cover the fish in crushed ice, protecting them from freezer burn. The ice locks in moisture and keeps the skin bright. Regular checks ensure the tuna stay in perfect condition. Any change in color or texture is caught early. This phase can last days or weeks, but conditions never change. The cold and ice preserve the fish's quality until needed. It's a crucial pause, locking in freshness. The tuna rests, perfectly preserved, awaiting the next step. Every detail is monitored. Nothing is left to chance. Soon, it's time to wake the tuna for processing. Thawing tuna isn't rushed. It's a precise, gradual process. The fish move from deep freeze to a temperature-controlled room. Temperatures rise in careful stages, sometimes over days. Slow thawing keeps the flesh firm and prevents mushiness. Workers monitor core temperatures constantly. The goal: bring the whole fish to the right temperature evenly. Rushing would ruin the texture. Patience is key. This step is technical and demands expertise. The tuna is gently awakened, ready for a final quality check. Only the best texture and condition will do. Next, one last inspection before cutting. After thawing, it's time for another inspection. Experts check firmness. Springy flesh means success. They look for consistent texture, no soft spots. A small incision reveals the color, deep, vibrant, and natural. Any dullness or discoloration is a red flag. This check ensures the cold chain process worked. Only perfect tuna move to the cutting room. Quality is verified at every stage. The relentless attention to detail pays off. Now the prize belly is ready to be prepared. Skilled butchers take over in the cutting room. With sharp knives, they break down the tuna into loins, focusing on the prized belly, toro. The belly's high-fat content gives it a tender, melt-in-your-mouth texture. Butchers carefully separate and trim the belly, wasting nothing. Precision and speed are essential. Every cut matters. Each belly piece is inspected for quality. The rest of the tuna is used for other products. Nothing is wasted. The belly is the star, destined for premium cans. Years of skill go into this step. The prepared belly is placed in trays, ready for cooking. This is the culmination of careful selection and expert handling. The journey from ocean to can is almost complete. Next, cooking and canning the prized belly. The final transformation begins. The trimmed tuna bellies are gently cooked, usually steamed or poached. Cooking is precise, enough to make it safe, but not dry. After cooling, workers hand-pack the belly into cans, arranging each piece with care. A liquid, olive oil, brine, or water, is added to preserve flavor and moisture. Machines seal the cans airtight, locking in freshness. The cans are sterilized in pressure cookers, making them shelf-stable and safe. After cooling and washing, each can is labeled and ready for shelves. Every step is about preserving taste and quality. From ocean to can, the process is meticulous. The journey is nearly complete. The result: premium tuna belly, ready for your table. The factory's care is sealed inside every can. The story ends with a product that's as safe as it is delicious. Next time you open a can of premium tuna belly, remember its journey. From the wild ocean to a spotless factory, every step was about quality. Inspections, tagging, cold storage, and careful thawing protected its freshness. Skilled hands prepared the prized belly, and precise cooking locked in flavor. Traceability means you can trust what's inside. Every person played a role in bringing this delicacy to you. It's more than food, it's a story of care, skill, and science. Enjoying that tender tuna belly is the final chapter of an incredible adventure. From sea to can to your fork, it's a journey worth savoring. That's the story behind every bite.